In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do object removal in Davinci Resolve. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going onto your color tab, going onto this window right here and mask. Now you're going to outline the object that you would like to mask, and you are then going to go onto your tracker window and you're going to just click on play to make sure that it tracks the item as it moves. As you can see, my gun moves, so obviously I'm going to need to use that as well. So then once that's done, you're going to go back to the window and you're going to go to sizing. You're going to make sure that node sizing is selected, and you are going to first move this so that you're going to